हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं क्लास 7 इंग्लिश की मॉडल एक्टिविटी टास्क अक्टूबर 2021 का सॉल्यूशन लेकर आया हूं। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन सीन का। ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो। Historically, in 1895, India was under the British rule. A different history was made that year at the town hall in Kolkata. An interesting demonstration was performed by Jagdish Chandra Bose, an assistant professor of Presidency College. One was overweight when the electromagnetic waves traveled from the lecture hall in a third room about 75 meters away. These waves passed through 3 solid walls. This was a remarkable and path-breaking incident which paved the way for future research all over the world. Born on 30 November 1858 at Bikrampur, New Munsiganj district of Bangladesh, Jagdish Chandra Bose was a man of diverse talents, a physicist, biologist, botanist, as well as a writer of science fiction. His father, Bhagwan Chandra Bose, was a leader of the Brahma Samaj. He worked as a deputy magistrate in Faridpur, Bardhaman and in other places. Jagdish Chandra's education started in a vernacular school because his father believed that one must know one's mother tongue before learning any other language. Besides, one should know one's own piece. Question number 1. Take the correct option from the alternatives given below. Jagdish Chandra Bose was a man of dynamic talent, ordinary talent, flat talent, or unimpressive talent. Answer is dynamic talent. The distance the waves crest was 0.0075 kilometer, 0.075 kilometer, 75 kilometer, or 75000 kilometer. So answer is 0.075 kilometer. Option number 2. C. Bhagwan Chandra Bose worked in Faridpur, Bardhaman, both Bardhaman and Faridpur, Bardhaman and in the other places. Right answer is number 4. Faridpur, Bardhaman and in other places. Question number D. Jagdish Chandra Bose started in an English school, a vernacular school, a Hindi school, a boarding school. Answer is a vernacular school. Option number 2. Question number E. The waves passed through 3 glass walls, 2 solid walls, 3 solid walls or 3 wooden walls. So answer number 3. Answer number option number 3. 3 solid walls. Question number 2. Write T for T or F against the following statement. Bhagwan Chandra Bose was the magistrate of Faridpur. Okay. तो फॉल्स, फरीदपुर होता तो ट्रू होता, लेकिन यहाँ फारदपुर है इसलिए फॉल्स. जगदीश चंद्र बोस स्टडीज इन एन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल इन हिज अर्ली लाइफ. फॉल्स. फरीदपुर इज नाउ इन बांग्लादेश. ट्रू. जगदीश चंद्र बोस वाज अ राइटर ऑफ साइंस फिक्शन. ट्रू. इन 1895 इंडिया वांट नॉट अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल. फॉल्स. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. What is the different history mentioned in the passage? Answer. An interesting demonstration was performed by Jagdish Chandra Bose. The different history mentioned in the passage. Question number B. What is the present name of Bikrampur? Answer. The present name of Bikrampur is New Munsiganj. Question number C. Why was Jagdish Chandra's education start in a vernacular school? Answer. Because his father believed that one must know one's mother tongue before learning any other language. Question number D. What made everyone overweight? The electromagnetic waves traveled from the lecture hall to a third room about 75 meters away, which made everyone overweight. Question number E. Why was Sir J.C. Bose's invention remarkable? Answer. Because this invention paved the way for future research all over the world. B. Read the following poem and answer the question. Old John with white hair does laugh away care, sitting under the oak among the old folk. They laugh at our play, and soon they all say, such were the joys when we all girls and boys in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. Question number 1. Put a tick mark to choose the correct word from the given alternatives. A. In their youth time, the old folk played in the streets, West Green fields or valleys. Answer is West Green fields. Option number 2. Question number B. The group of spectators remember their A1 gone away days, future days or present days. So gone away days. Option number 1 gone away days. C. Does laugh away care, affection, love or anxiety. So anxiety is the right answer. D. Under the dark tree sat Old John alone, Old John with his old friends, girls and boys. Option number 1 is the right answer. Old John alone. To answer the following questions. Question number A. Where is Old John sitting? Answer. Old John is sitting under the oak tree. B. Write the name of the poem and the poet. Answer. Name of the poem is The Echoing Green and the poet's name is William Black. Question number C. Pick out an expression from the poem to show that the old man is happy to see the children playing. Answer. They laugh at our play. This is the expression which shows that the old man is happy to see the children playing. Reading comprehension, unseen passage. B. Read the following passage carefully and answer the question given below. Once upon a time, Vidyasagar was traveling in a train. When he got down from the train, he found a young man shooting for a coolie as he was unable to carry his handbag. Vidyasagar was standing nearby. How much will you take? Answered the man talking Vidyasagar for a coolie. Whatever you please, replied the Pandit, taking the handbag and went on. When he reached the house, he handed over the bag to its owner and went away. He did not take anything from the young man. The young man soon found out who the carrier of the bag was. He was ashamed of his conduct and learned a useful lesson of self-help. 1. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1 number, Vidyasagar refused to carry the bag to the house of the man. False. It is false. The man at last come to know who the coolie was. False. The man felt sorry for his conduct. True. The young man learned a lesson from Vidyasagar. True. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. What happened when Vidyasagar got down from the train? Answer. When he got down from the train, he found a young man shooting for a coolie as he was unable to carry his handbag. Question number B. What did Vidyasagar do when he reached the house? Answer. When he reached the house, he handed over the bag to its owner and went away. Question number C. Why was the young man ashamed? Answer. He was ashamed of his conduct. Grammar and vocabulary. Do as directed. 1 number, mother is cooking food for us. Change into present perfect tense. Answer, mother has cooked food for us. Question number 2, he did the work. Change the voice. Answer, the work was done by him. Question number 3, Ankan is the best boy in our class. Change into positive degree. Answer, no other boy in our class is so good as Ankan. Question number 4, I have done a great job. Change the voice. Answer, a great job has been done by me. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with articles and prepositions. 1 number, the glass is with dash water. So the water. 2, the old man stared dash my face. Ate my face. Ate लगेगा. 3 number, please give me dash 1 rupee note. 1 rupee A लगेगा. A. 4 number, Suman is dash best student in the class. तो the best student in the class. तो the लगेगा. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with correct form of verb. 1 number, the news is or are. Shocking. So is लगेगा. News as singular number. News is the singular number. So is लगेगा. Each of the boys. Boys का S है तो ये plural है. Boys dash was or were given a prize. So were लगेगा. Clear है? चलिए इसके बाद बढ़ते हैं राइटिंग स्किल में. राइटिंग स्किल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट अ स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स एंड एड अ टाइटल टू द स्टोरी. अ पुअर फार्मर हैड अ गूज, laid a golden egg every day, wanted all eggs at a time, goose killed, greedy farmer become sad. Question number 1 answer. Title is A Greedy Farmer. Once upon a time there lived a farmer in a village with his family. He had a beautiful goose which laid a golden egg every day. But that farmer was not satisfied with what he used to get daily. He wanted all the golden egg from his goose at one time only. So he decided to kill that goose and get all the eggs at once together. So the next day, when the goose laid the egg, the man caught the goose and with a sharp knife chopped off his neck and cut the body open. There was nothing, there is only blood all around the greedy farmer. All around, the greedy farmer would not get even. So the next day, when the goose laid the egg, the man caught the goose and with a sharp knife chopped off his neck and cut the body open. There was nothing, there is only one answer. The title is A Greedy Farmer. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a village with his family. He had a beautiful goose which laid a golden egg every day. But that farmer was not satisfied with what he used to get daily. He wanted all the golden egg from his goose at one time only. So he decided to kill that goose and get all the eggs at once together. So the next day, when the goose laid the egg, the man caught the goose and with a sharp knife chopped off his neck and cut the body open. There was nothing, there is only blood all around. The greedy farmer would not get even on single egg and become sad. Question number 2. Write a letter to your friend asking him to take physical exercise regularly. Write a letter to your friend asking him to take physical exercise regularly. First you take on address and date. Then, Dear Rohit, here you take your friend's name. Mother always tells me you are getting weak day to day. She is worried. Write a letter to your friend asking him to take physical exercise regularly. सबसे पहले आप यहाँ एड्रेस लीजिए अपना, उसके बाद नीचे डेट डाल दीजिएगा. उसके बाद डियर रोहित मैंने लिखा है तो आप अपने फ्रेंड का नाम लिखिएगा यहाँ पर. उसके बाद यहां से स्टार्ट होगा. मदर ऑलवेज टेल्स मी दैट यू आर गेटिंग वीक डे बाय डे. शी इज वरीड अबाउट योर फिजिकल फिटनेस. You sometimes fall ill. She complains that you do not take your food on time and try to develop your health. You always remember, health is wealth. Good health makes the mind sound. If you are weak in a physical way, you will lose interest in the study. So I will advise you to take rich food daily and take physical exercise regularly to improve your health and mind. Good health is the key to success. I hope that you will be conscious of your health and follow my advice to be healthy in both health एंड माइंड। गुड हेल्थ गिव्स अस जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस। इसके बाद आपको यहां लिखना है योर लविंग फ्रेंड, अपना नाम यहां लिख दीजिएगा। उसके बाद इधर आके इसके सीधा से नीचे आके अपने दोस्त का एड्रेस जो भी होगा वो आप लिख दीजिएगा। बस ये हो गया लेटर आपका कंप्लीट। अगर आपको पूरी अच्छी तरीके से ये पूरा हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो आप चैनल को लाइक कर दें। अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ में शेयर करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, जय हिंद।